How you guys doing? Nate from Outlaw Racing here. So the SI didn't want to turn on, well it doesn't want to turn on still, but we try to fix the air AC compressor that it doesn't kick in. So what we did was we plugged that wire. You can't really see it, but there we go. We plugged that in to the battery, straight from the battery, and the battery burnt the ECU. So we're waiting for the ECU to get melted right now. Should be getting here any second. I'll be back when the new ECU comes in. So stay tuned, and I'll be back in a few. So ECU just came in about 30 minutes later. It's actually right here. So I got it in. It was only in Maryland, so good thing I got it in today. This is off of Honda SI, a coupe though. So I called the dealer. They said the coupe will still work. Tow truck is gonna come in a little bit and take this thing to the Honda dealership, so I can get it retuned and ready to go. So just got the ECU installed. Just did it myself. It's real easy. It was a little of a like a bitch, because one plug here, another one there, and there's another one there. There you go. There's 3 plugs there, and it's so tight in there, and the plugs are they're in there, and they don't have a lot of movement to work with. So that was a little bit of a problem. This ECU is loose. It's missing a bolt up here, but should be fine. It also brings this cap to just smack on there. It goes like this. Smack that on there. Yep, there you go. It's good. ECU's good, and I'll put the battery back. See, with this, I believe this is a 10 as well. So stick tuned. I'm gonna still record. Trailer's gonna come. The insurance. I'll take the car to the Honda dealership in Philadelphia. I tried to get to my local dealership, but they said they can't do it to the 22. But then the one in Philly, I called and they said you don't need no appointment, just come in, we'll do it for you for around $125. So I said, done deal, take it today. Tomorrow they should have the car running, car up tomorrow. And stay tuned for more video. I just said more video, but you know what I mean. Alright guys, so good thing we try to turn it on, it turns on, but it's not programmed, so it won't stay on for long. So we're gonna just wait until the come pick it up, and we're gonna leave in the pickup truck, since the TSX my brother had to leave with it, because he goes, this is his daily driver, and you know he didn't have it to run, so he's gonna it takes the TSX to work. So keep you tuned. So I got the truck guy come. He came. He's about to hook it up. Oh man, she's leaving to the dealership. Manny, there's your baby, Manny. I know you're gonna watch this though. She's up and ready to go. That tow truck is huge. Dang, that's a monster right there, bro. Tow truck. She'll be back. She'll be back by tomorrow. Keep you guys updated. This is the V8. The V8 Chevy. It's a bucket though. It's a bucket, man. Here she goes, man. Stay here for tonight. Definitely see you tomorrow, buddy.